the sport that originated in Maharashtra, also called game of chase, how many chasers are seated on the field?
I don't know what this means.
Tell the other name of it, bro, please.
No, that I won't tell. You have to guess from this
He
question.
doesn't even know what it is,
Yeah.
right?
You're not able to guess the game, is it? Coco, the game is.
Coco is
No, I still don't know. That's fine. 7.
probably correct.
No. It is 8 players. 8 players sit on the field and one person.
One
stands.
guy is running.
Yeah.
Oh, I haven't.
I didn't know there was like a fixed number of people who can sit there or.
Yeah.
How many have we had? Everyone just sit.
In-
Exactly.
In any sport, they will define how many players can play at a time, right?
Yeah, some arbitrary number like everything.
Yeah, how many ever you have, you come out. What is that?
How many do you want to sit
ground
down?
size?
Sit.
Deepak's
DPK.
turn now.
DPK, get ready, bro. Fifth favorite final.
2.
Which one?
So
Pick.
how many uniques do you have already? You have uniques. You can promote yourself or demote someone also, or you can answer geography
Oh, now I can promote myself.
or demote anyone. You will land on the black tail. You have gotten 2.
Okay, but will I get a chance then if I promote myself?
Yeah.
Yeah, then why not? I'll promote myself.
Okay. So on
Where does
promotion,
he
you
Nobody
have an
wants to demote.
yeah. That is why I kept bringing that in, thinking that someone will get demoted. Yeah, you
PM
have a
is close
choice
to
between
winning.
sports and movies.
How am I close to winning?
Movies.
I've seen a lot of movies, I'll tell you.
That's his favorite thing.
You don't know Roadside Romeo, that's all.
Yeah, I knew.
A movie adapted from a children's book has these characters: Augustus, Veruca, Violet, and Mike. Which movie is this?
Oh, see. Okay.
Hey.
That depends on if you have watched the movie.
Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Confirm?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
Thanks,
You're
Rasya.
So, because she liked it, you were like, okay, it's some good movie.
No, like, what movie could people have watched? That's the.
Yeah.
Oh, what is this judgment you're passing? Huh?
Wow.
Wow.
You think she doesn't watch Little Women? Huh? What do you mean?
Yeah,
You're
I'll be able to answer other people's questions. I won't be able to answer mine.
Look at the
DPK
DPK
has
number, man.
taken the
My
lead again.
God.
DPK.
Amazing.
Geography.
Don't be so sad about it.
Yeah.
That's bad.
Which of these is not a type of cloud?
Stratus, Cumulus, Columbus.
Easy, right?
Oh,
Nice. Thank you.
Nimbus is the Dragon Ball, you know.
Yeah, but actually it is there.
Why didn't you think it was a trick answer, Rasha? Huh? Like,
Okay, promote me. Yay.
hey, you can't go ahead.
Why? How?
You have to land on the.
Yeah.
You have 3 answers.
You have 3 answers, not 4.
Yeah.
Oh, you need 4. Then how did Dikip get promoted?
He landed on the black tile.
He landed on the black.
Oh, okay.
Now it's PNG's turn. Meghna's turn is skipped.
Okay,
Roll a 2 or a 3.
sure.
No.
Okay, I want to
3.
promote myself.
Oh, you have one answer. Oh, okay. You don't want to demote anyone?
No. Why would I do that?
Dude, he's so close, yeah.
What? Hey, green. I'm green. Don't do this.
Oh.
You've already changed mine once. You have changed me and Meghna once before.
Yeah.
Okay, so in this level 4, now you can't get demoted. Also, you will start from your topic and you need to answer
I don't
one
want
question
to.
right from all the topics.
I don't want to answer from my topic.
Yeah, but so in every topic, you will have 2 chances, okay? So if the first question you have not answered, second question also if you don't answer, your next turn will be skipped, but you will move one place forward.
So, but I don't have to answer the second one. That is
No,
gone.
you have to.
Oh, I have to. How
If
many
you
questions do you
answer-
have?
You will get 2 questions max from each topic. You need to answer one.
Or if I don't answer both,
Your next turn will be skipped, but you will
How
move one
many-
step forward.
you have some 50 questions ready. Huh? I
It is
think
not
I'll be
50,
here.
right?
for-
It is no max is
For everyone.
yeah, correct.
See,
Totally it
it-
is 50. Yeah. But from
Okay,
each
okay.
topic, max 10 questions will be there. Okay, you have to remember that each correct question will give you 50 points here.
My God.
Let's not worry about points right now. Some Olympics means today. I'm just
60 seconds.
Yeah, you'll
Yeah,
have
Yeah,
60
you
seconds.
get 1 minute.
If you answer in 30 seconds, you will get one extra turn. Okay.
Hey, what is this?
Well, on the fly, you're making rules, huh? You didn't.
No, I put that in the PPT also if you want.
Oh.
Don't worry about that, Meghna. I won't answer it in 1 minute. That's it. Sattar minute.
Name the modern name of this game. The game Moksha Patham that originated in ancient India was a game based on the principle of karma used to teach children
Snake and
virtues
ladder.
vices.
Snake and ladder.
That is the correct answer.
Oh my
Hey,
God.
wow. And he
Brilliant.
answered in less than 30 seconds.
A few seconds earlier.
Don't worry about that, Meghna. I won't answer it.
Yeah. Dude.
Yeah, pa. Legend.
Legend. Come on, get that legendary 190.
So have you
Let's get it going.
heard this somewhere or like did you
No,
deduce it?
virtue means snake and ladder. That's it. That's all I know.
Yeah.
Wow,
Come
nice.
Wow.
Nice.
The moksha. I don't.
Again, if he answers in 30 seconds, he'll get to
No,
go
no,
again.
no.
Huh?
No.
We'll be staying here for some time. Huh?
Only once in his entire thing he can get that +1.
Uh-huh. Oh, okay.
I'll take a minute just to waste your time. My first thought was like chess only. I was like, oh, ancient India means has to be chess.
Yeah, that's what. I was expecting one Chaturanga to appear. Yeah.
Wow.
Next question.
Moise. I'll fight if it's about Die Hard 4. I'm telling you. Huh?
No, it is just one. Which Hindi comedy is a remake of the Malayalam film Ramji Rao Speaking, made in 1999? Directly you'll have to answer, sorry. There's no options.
Which is Ram? That is in 1999, no? That Malayalam.
Yeah, this. Yeah. Look at this dialogue, okay? And try to think of the Hindi comedy.
Hera Peri, oh. Babu Rao speaking.
Is that your final answer? Should I take it or?
It's not Padosan, no? Chaturanga. No. Let's go with Hera Peri.
Bro, killing it. Killing it. It is Hera Peri.
Let's go. Thank you, man.
Too good.
Oh
too good.
God. Two.
Wow, brilliant.
Wow, you've
Yup.
taken one massive lead. Amazing. Okay.
Oh, Ashtena.
Everyone has gotten full stressed, I think.
Yeah. Now the game is getting better.
Yeah, he's very close now to winning it all. Russia is in level 2 still. You need to catch up.
I believe in you, Rasa.
In PNG, when you win, just split it with me, okay?
Of
Just-
course. Of course.
2. Sanchana, where would you like to go? Did you
I
get any
would like
correct
to
answers?
Promote myself.
Surely, you have
Not
not
yet.
gotten
Not
anything
yet.
right yet.
This is the first question she'll be answering. Oh, no. This is
No, she has a
No,
negative.
she answered wrong. I still asked because then you will tell that I didn't ask you. 3. Where would you like to go?
Movies.
300 compares to Meet the Spartan. Hunger Games is Hungover Games. Spider-Man relates to which of these?
What? What is?
You get-
I don't understand.
Have you watched these movies? Any of it?
Yeah, I watched Hunger Games and Spider-Man.
From the names, do you
Time is
understand
ticking.
what these could be? Tell one.
Sanjana,
Guess one.
pick.
Pick one.
Arachnid Kid. I don't know.
They're all parody movies.
Yeah, exactly.
Ah.
So these are all parody movies of the originals. For Spider-Man, it is the superhero movie where instead of a spider biting, it is about a dragonfly.
Oh.
Yeah,
I'm
so
not-
instead of Spider-Man, he's it's like a dragonfly man or something. I'm not sure what he is called, but it is about dragonfly.
Superhero.
That is why I said look over the names. Hunger,
No, I
No,
Hungover.
like even if you know the parody that it's related to parody, how will you know which one is the real movie if you haven't heard of it?
Yeah, that's the thing. You should have I just meant that the connection you could have guessed from the names. After that,
Yeah,
you,
yeah.
you need to know the
You can
movie.
guess from it.
Yeah, you need to watch the movie.
Actually, Arachnid Kid, Radioactive Spider Person, these are not even movies. These are just names that I made up. Green Hornet is actual movie and not a parody.
Hmm.
It's a good movie.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I watched.
Simply
It's funny.
Yeah.
DPK, come on, bro.
Okay,
Inchara's
so
next turn is skipped, guys. Don't forget.
-2.
She was going to get
Oh,
promoted.
wait,
just-
movies.
Yes, you will
She gets
tell, but
minus
when I have
10.
to get promoted,
Minus
you won't
10.
tell.
Yeah.
I told
No,
this
if it
also,
wasn't for
minus 10.
me,
I told one more thing.
if it wasn't for me, you would have still been in second round.
Yes.
4
DPK.
TPK is here. So either movies or sports.
Sports.
Why did you do that, bro?
So confused. Choose the correct order of colors in this logo.
Oh.
Oh, this is possible.
Please notice the numbers, okay? 1, 2, 3, then 4 and 5.
Should have gone for the movies, bro.
6 seconds.
Answer.
See. See.
Oh, I was
D
going
is the
to
correct answer.
Blue? I thought black was first.
No, blue is on top first.
I knew yellow was 4. So I was like, okay.
Oh, that is nice.
Nice.
Congo.
You should, Rasa, you should have told, like, oh, I know this. And
He
then-
did
then-
answer to the
She
last
did.
ticket.
No, like, she didn't scream. No,
If I
She
scream,
did, but I
know.
think her
then-
voice was not heard. She just did this. I could hear her arms go like this
Oh.
on top. And then there was no volume.
No, if I say I know, no, then suddenly Dikip will be like, yeah, got
Yeah.
it.
Correct.
Yeah, he'll be like, okay, your favorite color. Rasa's favorite color. Okay, is this? This will go with this. Somehow.
That's
Let's
just
go.
it. Come on. You can't
Oh,
promote.
Yeah.
I cannot promote.
Yeah.
What are my choices?
Science or movies?
Movies? Movies is
Science
done.
or
Yeah, movies is done, so you have to go for science. Find the odd one out.
Orbit Cup?
Forget the hint.
Squid?
If you don't get it, then
Okay. Squid, jellyfish, anglerfish, seahorse. Squid, jellyfish, and seahorse. Orbit Cup.
any ideas what it could be about?
Seahorse.
Okay, choose.
You have to answer.
Seahorse.
Seahorse, huh? D. Yeah, you
Oh.
actually got it right. Okay, do you know what this is about?
Yeah, what is it about?
I'm not sure. No, I don't know what it's about. I initially was thinking SpongeBob.
Oh,
No,
Is
is
it
a
something like that's not a like water species
father
kind of
carries the thing? Huh?
What?
Is
No,
that-
thing?
all no,
Science tech, no?
all are fishes here. Everything is all
I
are
was
sea
thinking
animals.
from movies angle.
But do you know why this is? Wow, movies from these fish.
this is DPK,
Wow.
but Smo is this time. Like, shiny.
Guys, I was thinking of movies and I thought of SpongeBob and I was like, okay,
Oh my god. Oh, she's looking for characters that are not in SpongeBob. Wow.
Wow.
Too good.
okay, no,
Too good.
what's the actual relation of tentacles?
No,
Fishes.
no one knows this anglerfish. No one's heard of it.
I'm
That
trying to
thing with
remember
the
it.
light in it, no? Or no,
Yeah.
it's not.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
that is the one.
correct.
Cincinnati.
What is that?
This is
Angel-
the anglerfish.
Tentacles. Is that the, fish, prehistoric?
No.
No.
Wait,
So
what?
these are bioluminescent fish.
Oh,
Bioluminescent is like they produce their own light. So
Why,
there
why
are
is
squids,
Orbit
jellyfish.
Gum? Why is Orbit Gum the clue?
Oh, the ad.
Yeah.
that's so far-fetched, dude.
Why is
Yeah.
that a seahorse?
Oh, God. Dude,
Seahorse is not
ironically,
bioluminescent.
Oh, okay. What is
Other
that?
three are.
The hint is harder than the question.
Yeah, I gave the hint. The hint you can understand only if you actually know the answer already. Hint for formality
No, you have
sake I've
to-
given. That's
You have
it.
to get to the ad first, and then you have to.
Yeah.
I know hint is actually harder than the question itself.
I didn't want to give a direct
So
question like,
cryptic.
okay, which one is not bioluminescent?
Rasya
But
moves.
somehow she got it right.
it's fine.
Using some SpongeBob analogy.
Yeah, randomly. Anglerfish is not there anyway. But she didn't choose that.
No, dude, there's one episode where they go to like rock bottom and there an anglerfish.
Wow.
not,
Amazing.
not just main characters, but this thing also cameos also. apparently.
This jellyfish is not even a like proper character. It just keeps floating around in water there. Wow.
Did Rasya get 4 right? She gets 4
Yeah.
right.
Did she get 4?
You can-
Oh, she actually
Yeah.
got 4.
Yeah.
So Russia,
Please put her in the next one. Bottom.
Thank you, God.
Which one?
Anything. Bottom.
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 Go for it.
Bikini
Okay.
bottom.
Everything is good. That's good.
Everything. Too good.
Okay.
Who is it?
Next turn. She's here. Right? This is right.
Go, Nick, go on, Nick.
Movies or sports?
Okay, go with movies. Let's try.
Next Saif Ali Khan movie only. Tara Rampam sing the song. And I forget it.
Nice. Nice prediction.
Oh, mother's song.
Name this movie.
Galaxy. Guardians of the Galaxy.
Tell again.
Guardians of the Galaxy.
Okay. Confirmed?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. It is a wrong. No, it is.
So you should tell
it
which
is
part,
not
no?
correct. No,
Yeah.
no.
Okay,
It is not Guardians of the
show
Galaxy
the-
at all, actually.
Okay, don't tell the answer. Don't tell the answer.
No.
I want to see.
I won't be able to show the picture. It has moved on.
Oh, it's
But it
the
was-
next one of that.
What does
Avengers.
next one mean?
Endgame.
No.
Yeah. No, they come in the other one.
Infinity
Oh.
War, I think.
Infinity War, huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. It is Infinity War.
Yeah.
Do you think I will show Drax and the answer could just be Guardians of the
Yeah.
Galaxy? No.
Why
way.
didn't you even think like part 2 is also there? You should have thought about it.
Yeah.
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine, Meghna.
Why am I getting tricky questions?
Actually, Meghna should have been skipped now, by the way. Just pointing it out.
No.
No, she
Like,
skipped.
our
The
record
last
keeper
term
has
was
to-
Oh,
skipped.
last time. Okay. Yeah. Oh,
No,
yeah.
no. It's correct only.
Not skip. No. Okay. Cool.
Not skipped.
Hey, don't doubt the record keeper.
I'm
But
sorry.
now
Don't
one
make me
negative.
doubt.
I'm sorry.
Now one negative.
Okay. So next is PNG. Oh, PNG doesn't have to spin. Movies. You answered
Don't
one
do it.
movie question wrong. This is the
No.
second. Yeah, you answered it wrong, right?
No, he didn't answer anything wrong.
Both of them are correct. What are you talking
Yeah,
about?
Oh,
both were
correct.
correct.
Okay.
You
okay,
all
okay.
clapped and all, dude. Come on.
Doesn't have any
How can you
negatives.
forget my
PNG
legendary
doesn't have
movie?
any
Oh,
Yeah.
so
Rasya
have-
told
okay,
legend,
okay.
legend also. Come on.
Yeah.
okay. I forgot to move your point.
I've never
Cool.
answered this question. I've never picked this question. Geography. Come on. Let's go.
Number 4.
Oh yeah, this is the
Geography,
first
nice.
geography question that PNG will be answering.
Wow.
We'll be picking. I'll be here only, Dan.
No, after 2 turns you'll have to move.
No, I mean, I'll
No, if
come
he
back to
gets them
geography.
wrong, he can't. No. Okay.
He can.
I'll be forced to. 30 seconds still is there, huh? Why do I even
1
ask?
minute. Yeah.
1 minute.
Which river covers the greatest distance in India?
Okay. I
Direct
know it's
answer,
Brahmaputra or Ganga. Brahmaputra is.
In India, okay.
Oh, in India.
Greatest
Yeah.
distance.
Okay, what do you want to do?
Just
You want me
get
to
it out.
answer?
Yeah. Go for the answer. You have 40 seconds.
Now,
Stop
starting
being
now.
helped. Yeah.
Okay. I'll
Which
tell.
river covers the greatest distance in India?
So there are 4 or 5 rivers that are important. Brahmaputra, Ganga.
So one
And
more
then
question.
both
now.
of them are not correct because of her reaction, I think. I'll go with the next popular river, Indus.
Should I take that as an answer?
Yeah.
Okay. Indus is actually wrong. Indus is the
Wrong?
longest
Wait.
river.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Go ahead.
No,
Tell
I
them.
was trying to guess the answer.
Guess.
Guess it.
I'm not the
Oh,
answer yet.
I don't know. Is it Tungabhadra?
No, it is not.
No
Oh.
way. Huh. What is it?
You were actually
Yamuna.
on the right track in the beginning itself.
Yeah.
Yamuna.
Yeah,
Ganga.
it is Ganga only. If you look at the longest river that crosses India, then you were like on the right track. But again,
is?
if the greatest length, Indus.
Indus is? What is the difference?
So Indus, most of the river is not in India. It is in Pakistan.
Pakistan, Punjab.
But it is the longest river that crosses India.
Okay. Sinchana's turn is skipped, so
Sinchana.
now it is Deepak's turn.
DPK.
I
Either
Exact-
geography
exact.
or
Religion.
geography or religion.
Geography. Yeah, please remember to react.
Which Indian city is the capital of 2 states?
Wait, New Delhi, Delhi, no, not New Delhi. Guwahati. What is Guwahati? Assam, not Guwahati. Bhopal and Chandigarh. Chandigarh is Punjab, okay. What about Bhopal? Bhopal, Indore. Chandigarh or Bhopal?
Fast. 5.
Bhopal.
Ooh,
It's
close.
Chandigarh.
It was Chandigarh. You didn't react, Rasya.
Haryana.
And
did
Indore is
react,
also
but
a city,
suddenly
no?
I was bubbling.
Shit.
It was
दिला
Bhopal
तो
is
तेरे
capital.
चंडीगढ़ में.
Mm,
Which Chandigarh is Punjab and what else?
Haryana.
Haryana and Punjab.
Shit.
Okay.
Hey,
since geography
deduct this
question-
guy's points. Deduct this
Okay.
Yeah,
guy's
I
points.
deducted. His next turn will be skipped.
This guy picked geography and failed.
Ultimate penalty.
No one is picking religion, no? Damn, sir.
There's one
Not-
person who's from there.
2.
I'm blue.
Yeah,
no?
she has a chance of picking religion now. Religion or sports?
Go
Of
for
course.
religion. I'm not gonna get it. But
Why? It is your topic.
I know.
See how
I need to
see how
get
DPK
minus
will
one.
celebrate this time. Like you celebrated for Chandigarh, no?
Hindus, Bhagavad Gita.
Ooh.
Jews,
What is it? They have a religious book. Don't they? Okay,
wow.
no.
Wow. Oh my
No, I didn't.
god. Oh my god. All religions will have a book.
Yes. See, Bible is. I know that
Can't tell one.
4, 3.
most
2,
is they don't have
one.
Bible. Just say Bible. Not Bible, but
It's not the Bible.
It's
the
not the Bible.
Torah.
Huh?
Oh yeah.
No
I
way.
don't
Read
know.
somewhere. I've read. I don't know.
You would have
You
heard
read
about
Torah?
it at least.
You read the book.
No.
Got
No,
some
no, no.
Jews. I don't know.
I've heard. Yeah. Oh, she lose points.
Yeah,
lose
she
more
loses
than
10
minus
points.
10.
Don't point it out. If she wins, I am also getting some cash from that.
Meg has -1.
Oh, why don't I get like nice questions? I want like
One.
nice, not tricky questions.
Nice
she can
and
go,
tricky
no?
are the same. No,
She
she
can-
can't. She hasn't answered anything.
Yeah, no, I haven't.
I just asked to make fun of you, Zaina. Just point. Hey, just kidding.
Okay, religion.
Okay.
There won't be a trick question here. Name the temple that is in the form of a chariot with 12 pairs of ornamented wheels drawn by 7 galloping horses.
What? No options also. What the hell?
Think of this and which god comes to mind. This is
Krishna.
Hindu.
ISKCON
Hindu.
temple.